In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your PS5 controller to your PC using Steam, all in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right into it. First, go ahead and open your Steam app. If you haven't installed Steam yet, make sure you've done that beforehand because it's essential for this process. Once Steam is open, you'll want to look for the login option. Click on it and get ready to log into your account. At this point, you'll need to enter your account name and password. Remember to keep your login credentials confidential and ensure you're using a secure network to maintain the privacy of your information. Once you've entered those details accurately, simply click on the sign in button. Now you'll find yourself on your Steam homepage. Here, you'll begin the process of setting up your controller. Take a moment to locate the Steam menu at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it and from the drop down menu select Settings. This will open a new window where all of Steam's configurations are available. Navigate your way to the Controller tab on this menu. It's here where you can enable support for your PS5 controller. Do you see PlayStation configuration support? Make sure this box is checked. By enabling this, you're allowing Steam to recognize and optimize the controller's settings for gameplay. Now comes the exciting part, connecting the controller itself. Grab your PS5 controller and connect it to your PC. You can do this either via a USB cable or Bluetooth if your PC supports it. A lot of gamers prefer the reliability of a USB connection, but Bluetooth can be more convenient. If you're using Bluetooth, ensure the controller is discoverable and that your PC's Bluetooth is turned on. Once you've connected your PS5 controller and it's recognized by your PC, Steam should ideally detect it right away. But we're not done yet. Navigate back to the same settings area and you'll find an option to calibrate the controller. Sometimes right out of the box, controllers can have slight discrepancies in input sensitivity, but don't worry, calibrating will fix this. Follow the on-screen instructions to adjust the settings according to your preference. And there you have it. Your PS5 controller is now connected to your PC, ready to enhance your gaming experience on Steam. Remember, proper setup and calibration can make a huge difference in gameplay, so take the time to ensure everything feels right. I hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your PC gaming with your PS5 controller.